Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are staying at your home, staying safe. So today I'm going to make a very delicious dessert for you, that is a chocolate brownie. So let's quickly see what are the ingredients we need to make chocolate brownie. So for making brownie, we take 170 gram of milk compound chocolate which we are melted, and here we have taken 170 gram of flour, 100 gram of sugar, 100 ml of refined oil, baking powder. I take here 4 pieces of eggs and vanilla essence. So friends, while we baking something, so in this time measurement plays a very crucial role. So please, while we baking something, so you have to keep in your mind that you should measure all the ingredients properly. So friends, first we have to take the eggs and sugar and we have to mix it very nicely. That's while we mixing, we should keep in our mind that it's create a layer of foam, so it will give a good taste and good body to our brownie. So friends, now I'm going to add 4 pieces of eggs, and the icing sugar. And friends, in this stage you have to do little bit hard work. You have to mix this very nicely, and till now all the sugar are dissolved in this batter. You have to mix it and it will create a foamy layer. So till now we have to mix it very nicely. So guys, you can see that slowly the foamy layers are coming up. So here we have to mix it more little bit, then I will show you that's how it is. So friends, you can see the sugars granules are all dissolved in this batter, create a foamy layer. So in this stage I am going to add vanilla essence. And we have to mix it again. Now I am going to add the oil. So after adding oil, we are going to add the heart of this dish, that is melted chocolate. Make sure your chocolate should be cool, otherwise the egg will be cooked. After adding chocolate, we have to mix it very properly. As I told you before friends, that this is the heart of this dish. So in this stage you have to mix it very nicely to the batter. So after mixing the chocolate, we are going to add the flour. There is one tip, that before adding the flour to the batter, you should sieve it. So before I also sieve the flour, so now I am going to add it directly. So after adding flour, I am also adding that half teaspoon of baking powder. So friends, after adding flour and baking powder, we are not going to mix this batter. We are using a spatula and we are going to just fold this batter like this. So friends, you have to remember that you have to mix this batter very nicely. So friends, if you add here any type of nuts, like if you add walnut, then it will be walnut brownie. If you add any type of nuts, you can add but I am just making my brownie without nuts, and this is the perfect consistency of this brownie. You can see this is the pouring consistency. So friends, we all know that chocolate is a significance of love, and nowadays which is very much needed to everyone. So for baking this delicious chocolate brownie, I am also select a very nice mold, that is a heart shape mold. So I am going to bake my chocolate brownie in this heart shape mold. So let's pour the batter in this mold. So friends, I already have greased this mold with refined oil and flour. Now I am just going to add this batter to it. So friends, now our brownie is ready to bake. So now I'm going to put it in on oven, and I already preheated my oven at 180 degree for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to bake this brownie for 40 minutes. So friends, at beginning I told you that you have to bake this brownie for 40 minutes, but after 40 minutes when I check it, that time it's not cooked properly, so I bake this my brownie for an hour. So that's, you can see now that after this baking our brownie. Here I have melted chocolate, which I am going to put on the brownie surface, and I going to make a layer of chocolate on top of the brownie like this. Friends, we spread the liquid chocolate on the top surface of the brownie. Now is the plating time. So friends, you can see the plating is ready. So I hope you will try at your home this, and please comment me that how it is, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.